Welcome to our aBlocks tutorial series. Today, we're diving into the PayPal button block, a simple way to add secure payment buttons to your WordPress site. First, go to the section where you want your PayPal button. Click the plus icon, search for PayPal button, and insert the aBlocks PayPal button block. There it is, the PayPal button block is added. Next, we'll customize it. Let's keep going. Let's customize the pricing and payments for our PayPal button. In the General tab, find the Pricing and Payments section. First, set your PayPal account. Next, choose the transaction type. I'll pick donation from the drop-down, perfect for collecting contributions. Then, set the item name as per your need. Now, select the currency. I'll stick with USD, but you can choose any currency you need. Finally, toggle on fixed amount if you want to set price. I'll leave it off to let donors choose their amount. Now, let's customize the PayPal button. In the button section, start with the position. Next, set the type. It's on default, but you can change it to styles you need. I'll keep it default for a clean look. Then edit the text as donate, which is perfect for our donation setup, so I'll leave change it. Now adjust the sizes. I'll switch for medium to make the button more prominent. Finally, the show icon toggle is off or on. Let's style the PayPal button. Switch to the Style tab in the button section. First, set hover color and background color. Let's add and customize an icon for our PayPal button. In the Icon section. First, adjust the size. It's set to pixels by default, but I'll slide it to pixels for a more compact look. Next, set the view. It's on default, which shows the standard logo style. You can switch to stacked or framed. Then, choose the icon position. I'll set it to before, so the logo appears before the Donate Now text. Finally, adjust the icon spacing, which controls the gap between the icon and the text. Let's refine the button's look in the Style section. First, change the primary color and adjust the background. Let's customize the additional options for our PayPal button. First, set the redirection after payment. Next, Sandbox Mode. This toggle is off by default, which means payments go live. I'll keep it off, but turn it on if you're testing to avoid real transactions. Then, turn on Open in New Tab option. Now, Custom Message. This toggle is off, but you can turn it on to show a custom message after payment. Let's fine-tune the layout in the Advanced section. Switch to the Advanced tab. Here, you'll find various settings to control the button's spacing. I'll focus on margin and padding to give the PayPal button some breathing room. Once everything is customized to your liking, save the page to apply all the changes. Just click the Save or Publish button. Now let's check the preview. There it is, a sleek PayPal button ready to collect payments. And that's a wrap. Your aBlocks PayPal button block is live and ready to make payments seamless. If you love this tutorial, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and let us know in the comments how you're using it.